It'll put a party in your mouth.
Now we are.
YouTube.
Creep on the party, you creep?
I'm creeping on the party.
Do the creep.
Oh yeah.
Big dicks in your ass is bad for your health. Sure.
Can you imagine? It's like,
Start over.
when you take it. Wait, is that how you do it?
Always let tricks know and friends know we got the endo. Bitch up, my nigga get rich up and then jump in and get back to the neck. So you better run a shit.
Holy fuck you.
It's a Cuban and they get played. Cause the bitch man pulling out a switchblade. Gas kind of rifle.
Yes, I got my swagger back.
No! What happened? Oh, there it is. Hello.
And weed.
Ready?
Ew, look how tan you are. You like black. Ew, Lauren,
Ready? I can't start it. Oh my god, it looks so bad. Hi.
You're gallantly like riding a horse.
And they go like this, and they're like,
Wait, how do you do it? I can't do that. It looks like I'm just hopping.
and they go. You gotta stand. You gotta dip. And you gotta stand. Stand. Like kind of like a random person.
Remember you did not like that? You should go get your cowboy hat.
Oh my god.
Then download number one ringtone. I'm in my zone. Tell me what's good, what it be? Can't say I'm what you want, but I got what you need all night. It's
Look
alright.
at my legs.
Oh my god, I love this.
It looks so gross. Look how big that is. And in today's news, we got a faggot that looks like Jesus. What the? Our teeth look funny.
Okay, let's go get a drink.
Okay.
Okay.
One step, you're gonna love my nuts. 2 steps, you're gonna love my nuts. 3 steps, you're
I don't get why
gonna love my nuts.
this isn't working.
You know how many times I eat the sticker on the apple?
Oh my
Because I
god, you
powered
have
through it.
apple. You're eating an apple, and this is
The apple I go, ah, and I eat the sticker.
yeah.
I'm coming.
Gross, you mean gross, gross.
Would you like a dick?
One.
Yeah, you would.
Hi. I look like I have no eyeballs.
I have no eyeballs.
Hey, the thing.
Just stop.
You know what I feel like?
Just
A jelly,
stop.
like one of those jellyfish. Looking
You look like Meg from Family.
great. Dad! Hi guys, I'm Meg. Oh boy. Hey Brian, will you go to the dance with me? I'm Meg. And she got Snooky. Jamaican, just like put my dreads.
You sound like such a dumbass.
Ha!
I don't know.
I hope you make it, otherwise you naked. Time isn't wasted when you getting wasted. Yeah, that's right?
Listen
Woke
to
up
this
today and all. You forgot the password, Lois.
bitch. No, no.
The hell are you, Peter? And then in the room, she's like, what the hell? I was in the bathroom, Lois. Decoys, Lois, decoys.
You wanna give it a go? Oh!
There you go.
Gitchy, yeah, yeah, tap, tap.
Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah,
But I remember
I'm alive. Oh, nobody but
No, Kim.
Thanks for making me fighter.
bitch.
I'm
Yes.
sleeping.
You're not sleeping.
Ready?
YouTube can tell you're
Ready?
awake. Look at my eye.
I can see clearly now. The rain is gone.
Quiet.
Spot of the crouching hidden tiger family. He's so weird.
Look how big her fridge is, people. You could
Who's
fit-
that? No, let's try to fit in it right now.
Right now.
Let's try to fit
We're
in it.
not gonna fit in your fridge.
I'm
Right
fitting
now.
in. We're going. We're both going.
No, we're not going in your fridge, Lord.
This ain't gonna work because it's very cold. Oh my god.
Stuck in your.
I drink from that. Don't.
She's so gross. Who does that, Lauren? You bitch.
Okay.
You're really gonna sit in there.
Yes.
I'm digging the vibe you're putting down. This sounds like your man voice, Lauren.
It is my man voice.
I love it. Do it again.
What?
Your man voice.
I don't have man voice.
Yeah.
F.
Oh, F me sideways.
I hope I know how to.
Yo, Lauren's in the fridge.
Guys.
I had to go get your camera. Hold this.
No, wait. Here, go put that on there. Oh my god. When
You're
I
chilling in the ice.
Jonathan come in and I should crouch and then we Stop. Please don't. This is scary. Don't close all the way. I'm getting scared.
Okay.
This is a video.
Okay, okay.
Not a chance. What the fuck? Why the fuck are you in the fridge?
Well, funny story.
I saw you taping it, and I'm like, not a fucking chance.
The fridge. She was in the fridge.